Jamaica, Kingston. I'm on my way.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
God is great. God is great.
Jamaica.
Jamaica, we
Jamaica,
here.
Khaled.
We here. Landing safely, God is great. Asahd, where my son at? Where my son at? Hey boy. Asahd, what do you want to tell the whole world? Yes, boy. Jamaica, we here. We here. I'm home. Jamaica, we here, baby. Jamaica, we here, baby. We in Kingston right now. I ain't been here in 12 years. I just started flying again about 2 years. We in Kingston right now. I got some other things in the works while I'm out here. But at the same time, we should be embracing our blessings and giving thanks to JAH. Jamaica, we here. Sharon Burke, what's up? You can walk. I had to put a call in. I had to call my team, Jumpman 23. I had to do it. I have this outfit I've been saving to wear. Bless up all the Rastas out there. You know what I mean? But these Jordans right here, I'm gonna put the yellow swoosh right here to match this fit. Let me see my face real quick so they understand. These right here, when I seen these, I had to get them, so I had to call I don't want to reveal my connect at Jumpman 23. I mean, you know I'm part of the team, family, you know that. But these, you gotta, even if you're part of the family, it's like you have to crack the code. Like, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.